Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use your HFA Ansuz Pendulum to manifest things in your life for 2025. And it's kind of cool. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start with your manifestation list, right? So this can incorporate anything and everything that you want to bring into fruition in 2025. And you want to write them out, number one, number two, number three. And, the power of the pendulum uses your subconscious mind as well as spirit guides to help you answer questions, to find things, to manifest things in your life. And there's an endless buffet of information on the internet on how to use a pendulum. And for the most part, it's pretty good stuff. But, like anything else, if you decide to use your own methods, that's great. However you want to do it, we provide the toolbox, and then you guys bring into fruition things with your toolbox any way you want. So this is a pretty simple technique. This kind of goes in line with, your standards of bringing things into fruition. So the easiest way to do this is to state out loud, this is my manifestation list for 2025. And you just want to kind of hold the pendulum over it. And you say, in 2025, I would like to manifest number one. Okay. And then you can ask your pendulum, is number one going to manifest for me in 2025? And there we go. We're instantly getting a clockwise spiral, which is indicating a big yes. And I mean, look how fast that's turning. And I just have a squiggly line there. Maybe that's brain frog coming on. Stop. Can I manifest number two? And she's going to go to no, because I'm actually willing that just for demonstration purposes. And you're not only you're asking if you're going to get it, but you're also helping bring it into fruition by asking. Stop. And number three will be a yes. Can I manifest my desire of number three in 2025? And that is going to be a big yes. So again, essential. When you create action in the world, and the action is writing this out, you're creating a reaction using the pendulum, and that's the energy coming back, which brings things into fruition for you. So writing the list, using the pendulum to help verify, narrow down, rewrite the list a couple times until you get absolutely everything you want on there, folks. It's just another extraordinary way that we're using, very advanced spiritual technology to bring things into fruition. Next level spiritual technology. Have a great day, folks.